Good morning, students. Today's lesson will be on characteristic of regular polygons. The first characteristic of regular polygon is all straight sides are of equal length. For example, look at the equilateral triangle on the left. All the sides are 6 cm long, which makes this triangle a regular polygon. Whereas the triangle on the right is an example of irregular polygon because one of the sides is just 2 cm long. The second characteristic of regular polygon is closed shape. For example, look at the hexagon on the left. All the sides are joined together to make the complete hexagon. The diagram on the right is an easy example of an irregular polygon. The third characteristic of a regular polygon is the number of angles are equal to the number of corners. For example, square has 4 corners and 4 right angles. For pentagon, it has 5 angles and 5 corners. The fourth characteristic of regular polygon is all angles are of equal size. For example, pentagon has an interior angle of 108 and for octagon, interior angle is 135. The fifth characteristic of regular polygon is the number of symmetrical axes equals to the number of straight sides. For example, hexagon has 6 sides and 6 symmetrical axes. And for equilateral triangle, it has 3 sides and 3 symmetrical axes. We're going to look at the characteristic of each polygon specifically. Let's start with equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has 3 straight sides of equal length, 3 interior angles of same size, 3 corners and 3 symmetrical axes. Equilateral triangle has no diagonal. What is diagonal? Diagonal is a line drawn from one corner to another. A square has 4 straight sides of equal length, 4 interior angles of same size, 4 corners and 4 symmetrical axes. Take note that a square has 2 diagonals. The diagram below shows how a diagonal is drawn from one corner to another. A regular pentagon has 5 straight sides of equal length, 5 interior angles of same size, 5 corners, 5 symmetrical axes and 5 diagonals. The diagram below shows how 5 symmetrical axes are drawn. Now let's look at a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon has 6 straight sides of equal length, 6 interior angles of same size, 6 corners and 6 symmetrical axes. A regular hexagon has 9 diagonals. Regular heptagon has 7 straight sides of equal length, 7 interior angles of same size, 7 corners and 7 symmetrical axes. Regular heptagon has 14 diagonals. Diagram on the right shows how 7 symmetrical axes are drawn on a regular heptagon. Finally, regular octagon. Regular octagon has 8 straight sides of equal length, 8 interior angles of same size, 8 corners and 8 symmetrical axes. Regular octagon has 20 diagonals. Diagram on the right shows the number of symmetrical axes and the diagram below shows the total 20 diagonal. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you, students.